What's up guys, Kevin here, founder of NIA Body Kits, and today we're gonna give you a behind the scenes tour of our factory, just to showcase you guys the customer service, quality products, all from right here in Miami, Florida. Come with me. So first things first, here at NIA Body Kits, customer service is the #1 priority. We pride ourselves in being ready for you for any calls or text messages that you may have, either installation or just questions on our products. All right, now for the good stuff. Follow me. All right, so now if you take a look here, we have all the kits in stock, ready to sand down paint to transform your ride. But how do we ensure that our kits fit precisely? Well, it starts right here. We use cutting-edge scanning technology to capture every contour and curve of your vehicle for a guaranteed fitment. So next up, after we have all the scan data of your car, we put it on this 5-axis machine. With extreme accuracy, we can make the body kit mold and makes the body kit a precise fit, just like a glove. So after our CNC machine, the molds are all set. Now we bring them out to our thermoforming machine and we vacuum form them. Now that the parts are vacuum formed, we go back to our 5-axis machine and we start trimming them all around and start making all the holes for all your factory fitment points. Now that we got the parts all cut up from the CNC machine, time to give it to the production team to sand everything down and get it ready for paint. Speaking of paint, whether you like a nice classic paint job or a little something more exotic like hydro dipped, we got you covered. Right here with this state-of-the-art downdraft paint booth, all our paint comes out meticulous just for you. But before anything leaves the facility, it goes through a highly trained quality control to make sure that you receive nothing less than perfection. Now that quality control gave their stamp of approval, it goes out to shipping, where we pack it up nice and safe to make sure it gets to you in one piece. Not only do we ship in the US, we provide our quality kits worldwide. And if you're local to Miami, we offer installation and a personal tour of our factory. So come on by. There you guys have it. We're here to provide excellent service and top quality product. Thank you guys for joining me on this tour, and hopefully we'll see you guys on the road.